Hey guys, Rio here with Email Processing System. So let's get into it. What did I want to talk about in this video? I wanted to cover what the actual product of EPS is. What is the actual product? What will you be receiving by joining EPS? Well, basically, it's a digital training product, which is something that has, you know, been extremely popular in the last, I don't know how many years. I've only been around this industry for a few years now, but these products have been around for way longer than that, and have been extremely popular. There's, hundreds of millions of dollars that go into, selling online products every year, and it's only increasing more and more and more every single year, and it's not going to stop anytime soon. So, but yeah, basically, that is a digital, what you get with EPS is a digital product that will teach you how to brand yourself, how to grow a business, how to grow long term, how to build a brand for yourself. And honestly, this training is amazing, but it is, our team uses it specifically for EPS, but this training can basically be used for any program you might want to join, any other company, whatever it may be. You see a lot of people that are successful with EPS and they move on to have, to build another stream of income. Not that they leave EPS, but they just, they're working EPS and they're working something else as well. And they kind of use those same strategies that they learned through our training in EPS. So that's awesome. That's amazing. That's great that this training, it's such a low barrier of entry. It's so cheap to get in. There's some digital products out there, that information products that out there that cost like thousands of dollars, or you have to pay monthly fees, which there's nothing wrong with that, but a lot of people aren't in that, they can't be spending thousands of dollars, they can't be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single month to, to be able to promote something. So that's why I really enjoy being a part of EPS. It's such a low barrier of entry, and it's just a one-time payment, and that's it. You're set. You're in for life. You can make unlimited commissions, for as long as you want. So there's nothing wrong with that. That's amazing. That's awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to go over in this video that what the product is. Basically, like I mentioned before, I'm kind of repeating myself here. It's a digital training, and you're gonna get training from EPS, and you're gonna get our own team's official training, the 5K a month blueprint. You're going to be able to get your hands on that. Well, if you join the $100 level, of course there's training for every single level, but what I would encourage you to get is the 5K a month blueprint, which is the $100 level, because then you'll be able to, make commissions, make $25, $50, and $100. So you'll be setting yourself up in the best way possible for that. So that would be, that's really the best way to go. But if you just for some reason can't do that, well, then I would suggest, get in at the 25 or the 50, whatever you can do. Just, get started, because, time's just going to keep passing by, and that's time that you could have been working on it and putting in the work, and, been that much closer to being a success with EPS. So just my little advice there. What you will also get is a pre-written ads booklet. So these are just ads that you can use in all your marketing, in whatever you choose to do. Because in our training, we go over many different things that you're able to promote on, Craigslist, Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that, YouTube, stuff like that. So yeah, you're going to be able to use that within your marketing. And of course, you should always put your own little spin on it, your own little personality, your own little personality to it, make it your own. But yeah, guys, so just to reiterate here, I don't want to sound like I'm repeating myself, but, this is kind of a simple thing to explain. What is the product of EPS? Digital training and a pre-written ads booklet. And this digital training has, it's a proven blueprint. It's created six-figure earners in our team. So it's, this training is no joke. This is some awesome training. And if you put it to work, if you put in the work, it's gonna yield great results for you too. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I wanted to go over in this video. I'm trying to keep them short. I'm trying to, provide value, but keep them short at the same time, because I know we all have busy lives and we all have stuff to do. So So thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. If you guys have any questions about what email processing system is, I'll leave my Facebook link down at the bottom, my email. You guys can send me your questions there, or just talk whatever you want. I don't mind. I like hearing from you guys. If you guys have more questions on email processing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I have plenty of other videos explaining what EPS actually is and what we do, which is, basically we post ads on social media, and we focus mainly on free strategies. So even if you don't have a lot of money, it's fine. We mainly focus on free strategies and growing your brand in that way. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, like I mentioned, contact information somewhere down here. Thank you guys for watching my video. Appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one.